Welcome back to Rich Off AI Creators Academy. AI video tools are evolving so fast, it's hard to keep up. Some of them legit look like they came out of a Hollywood film, but most of the good ones, they're not cheap. Today, I'm showing you two tools I've personally tested. And the best part? They're still free in 2025. One of them even lets you create unlimited videos with no watermark. I'll walk you through each one, share the exact kind of prompts I used, and tell you which generator is best for what. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about StepFun. This one's great for short cinematic shots. You can use a single text prompt or photo, and it gives you a 5-second video that looks straight out of a film. Go to stepfun.com. If it loads in another language, just hit translate. Create an account using your phone number. Then select Step Video. Here's the prompt I used. Cinematic slow motion shot of a stunning woman in a leather trench coat walking through a futuristic city street at night. Neon signs glow around her. Her heels click as she turns her head with attitude. Wind lifts her hair, moody, powerful, 8K ultra-realistic fashion shot. The result? A stunning, moody clip. It looked like a scene from a luxury tech commercial. Short, but powerful. And yes, it's still 100% free. Now listen, these tools aren't perfect. You're probably going to have to run the prompt a few times to get something that actually looks good. Some of my early attempts were wild. One model had 3 arms, another looked like she melted halfway through the runway, and don't even get me started on the faces. Sometimes they come out stunning, other times they look like a video game glitch from 2004. But hey, it's free, so test it, tweak it, and regenerate until it slaps. You'll find that magic shot eventually, especially if you treat this like creative play, not perfection. Now, let's talk about a hidden gem, Quen AI. It's super easy to use and gives you unlimited generations with no watermark. Go to chat.quen.ai, sign up with your email, choose video generation. Here's the first prompt I tested. Slow motion tracking shot of a beautiful black woman with glowing brown skin and voluminous curls, twirling in a flowing pastel dress under strings of warm fairy lights. She smiles softly as golden light sparkles around her. The camera follows her movement as she spins. Cinematic, uplifting, 8K magical realism. After a few regenerations, I got a clip that looked like a noir movie trailer. Then I tried something bolder. Close-up of a holographic prompt vault opening in someone's hand. Glowing ideas float out like sparks. Futuristic lighting. Particles in the air. 4K magical realism. It looked like a tech ad meets a sci-fi movie. Absolutely stunning. That's the power of Quen AI. You can keep refining until you get exactly what you imagined. Okay, so let's recap. StepFun is great for short, luxury-style cinematic clips. And Quen AI gives you creative freedom with unlimited trials and no watermark. Both tools are still working, still free, and still giving you high-quality video in 2025. If this helped you out, tap that like button and subscribe for more AI content tutorials. This is Rich Off AI Creators Academy, where we turn creativity into content and content into cash, powered by AI. I'll see you in the next video.